4 years ago, I was in San Jacinto, a very warm and humid town located in the north of the Philippines. I was reviewing the acceptance letter that had come from Luther College in the United States of America, Decorah, Iowa, to be more specific. A place I absolutely knew nothing about, but I had a perfect picture in my head. Of course, it's been shown many times on TV. Tall buildings, large buses in every direction, people walking in formal suits, some with their dogs. That was my United States of America. On August 17, I landed in Rochester, Minnesota. At first I thought, maybe I am not there yet. But then someone picked me up and dropped me at what I knew was my destination, only because the name was Luther College. Needless to say, what my reaction was. The many questions I had about why the cornfields instead of tall buildings, or why the biking, jogging, and walking instead of buses. Little did I know, my experiences at Luther College have exceeded my own expectations. My experiences at Luther College have been memorable and life-changing because of the people who surround me and make my day-to-day activities different and meaningful. They have also helped me realize my dream and goal to serve a broad population as a public health nurse. My realization began through being a part of different communities. I am a part of the nursing community which showed friendship through care and compassion, and I am privileged to be one of the 3 males in the class. I am also part of the residence life, the box office, and the international student community, where I experienced a new dimension of learning and growth. Today, I will show you how my experiences and journey at Luther College will help me reach my goals and dreams for my life after Luther. I can envision my life after Luther to be connected with my experiences here, through being able to connect my faith with learning, use my freedom with responsibility, and engage my life's work with service. Connecting faith with learning brings strength and hope through tough times, and gratitude and appreciation when things are accomplished. I remember back then, my nursing journey started harshly through the uncertainty of getting into the program. I asked a lot of questions regarding how many applied and how many will get in. I even calculated my chances of getting into the program. Throughout this time, I was nervous. If I did not get in, what will I do? I was not sure at that point, because I know and I am set that I want to be a nurse. This initial experience required a lot of faith. I prayed and I believed. Through this tough time, I also sought help. Thus, after all the uncertainty, the acceptance letter came to our mail. I opened it. I was very thankful and relieved when I saw the word, "Congratulations." Throughout this day, I saw and hugged future nursing students whom I did not know initially, but what I knew was we were all relieved and thankful we got into the nursing program, and that we will face this journey together. This was just the start. My nursing journey was not easy, but I know my faith with God, myself, friends, and professors will help me reach my goal to be a nurse. I was not mistaken. My faith helped. Before exams, I pray. I reassure myself, and I seek the knowledge of my professors. As I remember my first day in clinical at Winship Medical Center, I was so nervous. However, our clinical instructor reassured me that everything will be fine and that I should stop and breathe. I followed her advice. And yes, I survived the first day of clinical. I survived all my clinicals. We all survived our training. Surviving nursing will not happen without my faith and the faith of my professors in my abilities as a nurse. I am very thankful to all of them who cared and fostered my growth. Without these experiences with professors, fellow classmates, and Ruth, my nursing journey will not exist. The existence of this journey was brought by the freedom to Luther College gave me. Freedom is given as I came to Luther College, but this is not taken advantage of. Rather, it is nurtured and used responsibly. Doing nursing, I thought I will be stuck with all sciences and nursing classes. I was wrong. I was able to explore the beauty of liberal arts education. I took classes from acting to negotiations, anthropology to tennis, and more. With all these classes, I always look at what I can get from them to apply with nursing. For instance, in an acting class, I took and learned the value of effective communication. And I know communication is an important aspect in providing appropriate care and patient teaching. As a student nurse, we were all given the freedom to care for our patients. With this freedom comes with responsibility and accountability. This is a way to assure patient safety care. There are times in my clinical experiences that I hesitate to take the freedom because of difficult patient situations I had to handle. However, I did not give up or looked away. I took the full responsibility and was accountable for the safety and well-being of my patient. By having this attitude, I feel that I gave my patients the care they deserve. Subsequently, I am fulfilling the responsibility entailed with my freedom. Moreover, as a nurse, my life's work is always about service for others. By doing so, people touched and helped are also the ones who transformed me. How could I serve others if the professors and clinical instructors did not teach us well? I guess I will not be where I am right now if they did not impart the knowledge, care, and compassion that they have. I am very thankful to the continuing support and improvements of our nursing education. Learning can sometimes be difficult. It can be scary, especially when giving medications and instructors asking, why this or how this? However, I am thankful for these scary moments because these were the times I get to the peak of learning. Nurses are not alone. They have colleagues. Student nurses are also not alone. They have classmates and friends. The fun and tough times that our nursing class has been through were amazing experiences. The classes, clinical experiences in the nursing home, Winship Medical Center, and at Mayo Clinic were experiences I will treasure. My fondest memory was in Rochester, where I got to meet and know my amazing roommates and everyone in the nursing class. We studied, watched TV, cook, and enjoy our time together. It was fun, but stressful at the same time. With these experiences, I realized the importance of valuing relationships. The people that I bring close to my heart are also the people who affected me the most. With my 4-year education, to be able to have a mission is important. A mission to continually serve and affect others is something close to home. Nursing helped me figure this mission and start to act on it by the interactions with different patients and people. In the future, I would want to continue serving the broader community as a public health nurse, and in order to do so, I will draw back to my experiences and knowledge Luther College showed me. As said earlier, my experiences at Luther exceeded my expectations. Being able to have the chance to come to the US to study, experience the American dream, and be part of wonderful and caring community of Luther College was a blessing. It was also a great opportunity to start my future and attain my life's goal. Attaining my life's goal can be uncertain with but Luther education, experiences, and personal relationships, I will have tools to guide me in this journey. The liberal arts education taught me to be critical and generalist. My experiences taught me to be humble and committed. My relationship taught me care, compassion, trust, and respect. With all this in mind, I think I will be able to attain my goal and be someone I would love to be. Through the years and years to come, I believe that we, the Luther nurses of class 2011, will be where we want to be because we are equipped with the education and experiences to be a great nurse. Congratulations and thank you.